Tumbang tuang nakakalakan sa ulit kanon na korobon. Ito sa akin ay nabibuti may buwan sa ulit kanon na korobon. Sa ulit kanon Pula! I'm proud to be a Fijian. Say Kaiviti. In Fiji we got different dialects from different provinces. So where I'm from the interior, from the highlands, we say Dola Vina. That means hello. Different provinces and different dialects, but there's one God which we know is in control. Vinaka.